Welcome to Tips and Tricks with CXR Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly sign into your CXR Cloud account using a single sign-in. Instead of having to verify you're not a robot each time you want to get into your account, you can use this neat single sign-in feature through any of the linked integrations such as Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, LinkedIn, and Google. Go ahead and select one of the following. Enter in your sign-in information and accept the app. The first time you do this, you will have to go through these steps, but after that, it's a click of a button. Then click on the Microsoft app or whichever integration you use to sign in, and you'll go right in. You don't need to authenticate yourself, and it's as simple as that. We'll see you in the next Tips and Tricks training video.